All right, so day one, our goal for today is to get your site created and ready for you to start researching and putting in information tomorrow. So the first step is we're going to go to Google Sites, type it in. All right, and it's going to pop up. If you're not signed into your Google, you might need to sign in first. All right, so we're going to click Create, and we're going to click in the New Sites. All right, when it pops up, it's already got your site created. It's going to be really easy for you to get started. All right, so the first one is you're going to create a title for your page. All right, so the purpose of this website is going to be to display all your information that you research about the body systems. I have an example site that you're going to use to look at. All right, so Systems of the Body is the title that I used. You don't have to use the same one. All right, and then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages on our website. The first page, you're going to have the organization of the body. So this is what we learned about last Thursday and Friday. Just going to put a nice little brief description, and then you can add a picture or video if you'd like. And if you need help, there's some page numbers to help you. So your home page is already created. That's what's going to go here. To add other pages, I'm going to click up here, and then I just click the plus sign. All right, so now if I go back and I look at the example, I see that my first page is the skeletal and muscular system. So I'm going to type that in. And then click Done. Now that page is created. All right. I can go back home and I see my body system site. Then I can see the page up here and then also down here. And I click on it. Now to add information on the page, I can just click over here to insert. I can insert images or a text box. You guys won't be using the embedded or the from drive. If you prefer and you want to get fancy and change the layout, that's down here. Feel free to explore all the things that you can do. But as far as for the basics, you're going to use the text box and the images. Now we need to add our other pages. So we look back at the example, excretory and digestive. Excretory and digestive. Okay, done. And then nervous and immune. Done. And let's see, which one am I missing? Cardiovascular and respiratory. All right, and then you also see that you have one extra page down here. So at the end, after you've researched all the body systems, you're going to also research a disease or a disorder of your choice and then tell how it affects the body and which systems it affects. So let's add that page. And that should be or disorder. Done. All right. And we'll move that one to the bottom. All right, so now you have the outline of your website already built. And you can give it a name. I'd prefer you to put your name in there. So let's say if this was John's, put Arabia. System site. All right, so then now we know who it belongs to. It makes it easier as I'm going through and grading these. So this is your goal for today, to at least get your pages built out so that you're ready to research and start putting in information tomorrow. If you do get done with adding your pages, you can go ahead and start working on your home page. So again, if I come over here and I just click text box, it's going to go ahead and put this up. All right, and then let's say I wanted to add a picture. I could go and I could search. And I can add that picture in. If I find one that looks like we want. All right. So, tissue. Organ. Oh, you know what? That one right there. That one would do it. All right, so you can add pictures and words. If you decide you want to input a video, let me know and I can help you. So if you want to add a little bit more personalization, you can go to themes. And over here, when you click different themes, it'll change the layout for you, kind of like in Google Slides when you're picking a theme, same concept. So pick the one that you like, but don't spend too much time making it look pretty. You can always come back and do that after you have all the information in. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. These are going to be due March 21st, but that's completely done. All the pages done and your disease and disorder done. So again, it's better to slack off after you get done, and you can make things better than to waste time in the beginning and then try to play catch up to get it due in time. Bye, guys.